And in the Emirates ATP Rankings, it's the 2011 US Open champion Novak Djokovic who's number 1. Having just secured qualification for the Barclays ATP World Tour Finals, Roger Federer's second. In third, it's the 2012 champion Andy Murray. He's followed by Japan's Kei Nishikori, last year's runner-up in New York. In fifth, it's Switzerland's Stan Wawrinka. In sixth, Tomas Beric of the Czech Republic. Spain's David Ferrer remains in 7th place, with his compatriot Rafael Nadal just behind in 8th. In the Emirates ATP doubles race to London, it's the Bryan brothers who remain the team to beat, just ahead of Roger and Tecau. They're second. In third, it's Dodig and Melo, with the Italian duo Bolelli and Fognini in 4th place.